Now, natural gas prices sit near 7-year lows, and some say they could stay there for a long time. Bloomberg's Adam Johnson joins us to explain it. We've been talking about this for a while.
We have, and Matt, I have a great quote for you. Quote, "We've cracked the code for natural gas supply." That comes to us from Jeff Spatel of Natexis Bleischroeder. What he's talking about, of course, is shale. That there is a lot of shale in this country. There is gas trapped in these shale formations. We're talking about massive increase in supply, and it's profitable at much lower prices.
So shale, just to be clear, is like a rock formation?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Let's take a look at the detail.
Geology was a long time ago for me.
But you probably got an A in it.
I'm gonna absolutely. It's the only class I actually passed in college.
Well, that's good. So let's take a look. Number one, huge reserves. You've probably heard about the Haynesville Shale, the Marcellus Shale, the Great River, the Green River Basin, which is great. Supposedly, 2/3 of the world's shale is there in Wyoming. There's a group called the Potential Gas Committee. They say the proven and potential reserves are at 100-year levels, 100-year supply. Number two, the technology to reach these formations, Matt, it's called hydraulic fracking. It's not something we were able to do years ago. You pump fluid under high pressure into these shale formations, break them up, that releases the gas.
And it sounds awesome.
And it
Hydraulic
sounds
fracking.
awesome. It does. Number three, access to pipelines. People talk about nat gas as being a localized market. You have to get the nat gas to the market. Well, these shale formations are near existing pipelines you can transport. And of course, number four, the most important, profitability. You can drill for nat gas in these shale formations and actually pull it up profitably in the threes. Previously, the break-even was somewhere between $4.50 and $5 for nat gas.
So we basically, bottom line, we're going to see shale prices down here for a long time.
Well, nat gas prices down here for a long time, thanks to shale.
Tell me quickly which companies would benefit. Only about 20 seconds here.
Okay, four go-to names: Chesapeake, CHK, Exco, XCO, Petrohawk, HK, that's the classic hedge fund favorite, and Quicksilver, KWK. Those are some favorite names, Matt. I don't know if we're out of time, but there's a lot to talk about here.
Well, we will talk about it throughout the day. Hopefully we'll see you a couple more times. Adam Johnson there talking about natural gas.